Hi friends, today we are going to learn what is the difference between setup and one-time setup and one-time tear down and tear down. So what is the difference between that? So while coming to the setup and tear down, so what this scenario will do is that it will launch the browser and complete one test and close the browser, and it will open the another test and complete the test, and after that it will close the browser. So for that one, let me trigger that. See, so one browser has been completed and the second test has started, and this will also write and it will also close it. And after that, the third browser will open and will write something and will close the browser. Okay, so all tests got passes. And now, whereas coming to the one-time tear down and one-time setup, tear down and one-time setup. Um, So this is I have already written one time setup and one time DLM. So what this scenario will do is that it will take so what this will do is that it will open the browser and only once and close the browser only once. In the earlier we have seen that it has opened multiple times for multiple tests. So now let me run the same test. Before that, let me build the solution. Okay. Now let me run the test. So you will see the difference. Now the browser has launched and the first one has started, and it will wait for 5 seconds. After that it will write minus and only in the same thing, and after that ATJ, and it will close the browser. Hope you understood. I think. Thank you.